How to get your Pinterest account back without email. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to get your Pinterest account back without email. First, go to Pinterest login page and click on Forgot Password. Then enter your username and see if Pinterest can send you a recovery email. Visit Pinterest support page and select My Account Login as the issue. Now fill out the form with your username and any other information you can provide. Pinterest should guide you through the recovery process. If you have a trusted friend who has your phone number saved, they can request a password reset on your behalf. They can enter their username or phone number and receive the verification code to share with you. If you had previously enabled two-factor authentication, you might have a recovery code. Then use this code to regain access to your account. Try searching all your email accounts for any welcome emails from Pinterest. This might help you to find the email address associated with your account. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.